When people think about building muscle, one food almost always comes to mind: eggs. For decades, eggs have been considered one of the best sources of protein, and for good reason. They're nutritious, affordable, and contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. But what if there were another inexpensive food that could be just as effective, or even more practical for many people, especially as they get older? As we age, maintaining muscle becomes increasingly important. After the age of 30, adults naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a process known as sarcopenia. This gradual decline accelerates with age and can affect strength, balance, mobility, and independence. By the time people reach their 70s and 80s, preserving muscle isn't just about looking fit, it's about maintaining quality of life. The good news is that you don't need expensive supplements or exotic superfoods to support healthy muscles. One of the most effective muscle-building foods is surprisingly affordable, widely available, and backed by decades of research. And it's not eggs, it's Greek yogurt. Let's explore why this simple food deserves a place in your diet, especially if you're over 40. Why muscle loss happens as we age. One of the biggest changes that comes with aging is a gradual decline in muscle mass and strength. This happens for several reasons: reduced physical activity, hormonal changes, lower protein intake, chronic illness, reduced responsiveness of muscles to dietary protein, sometimes called anabolic resistance. Because of anabolic resistance, older adults often need more high-quality protein per meal than younger adults to stimulate muscle protein synthesis, the process of building and repairing muscle. That makes choosing protein-rich foods especially important. Why Greek yogurt stands out. Greek yogurt is made by straining regular yogurt to remove much of its liquid whey. The result is a thicker, creamier product that's naturally higher in protein. A single serving often provides around 15 to 20 grams of protein, depending on the brand. That makes it an excellent choice for supporting muscle maintenance and recovery. Unlike many processed protein snacks, Greek yogurt also contains important nutrients such as calcium, potassium, vitamin B12, phosphorus. These nutrients support bone health, nerve function, and energy metabolism, all of which become increasingly important with age. It's rich in leucine. Not all proteins stimulate muscle growth equally. One amino acid deserves special attention: leucine. Leucine acts as a signal that helps activate muscle protein synthesis. Greek yogurt naturally contains leucine, making it a high-quality protein source that supports muscle repair after exercise and helps preserve muscle during aging. Eggs also contain leucine, but Greek yogurt offers an easy way to consume a larger amount of protein in one serving without much preparation. It's easy to eat at any age. As people grow older, chewing and digestion may become more challenging. Greek yogurt has a naturally soft texture that makes it easy to eat, even for individuals with dental problems or reduced appetite. For many older adults, this means they can consume high-quality protein without needing large portions of meat. Protein alone isn't enough. Here's something many people overlook: simply eating more protein won't automatically build muscle. Muscles need a reason to grow. That reason is resistance. Activities such as bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, weight training, gardening, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, all encourage muscles to stay strong. Combining regular resistance exercise with adequate protein produces far better results than either one alone. It supports recovery. Exercise creates tiny amounts of stress within muscle fibers. Your body repairs these fibers, making them stronger over time. Protein provides the building blocks for this repair process. Eating protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt after resistance training can help support muscle recovery and adaptation. It's budget-friendly. One of the best things about Greek yogurt is its affordability. Compared with many protein powders, meal replacements, or specialty health foods, plain Greek yogurt often provides excellent nutritional value at a relatively low cost. For families on a budget, it's a practical way to increase protein intake without spending a fortune. Choose plain instead of flavored. Many flavored yogurts contain significant amounts of added sugar. For the greatest nutritional benefit, choose plain Greek yogurt whenever possible. You can naturally enhance the flavor by adding fresh berries, banana slices, cinnamon, chopped nuts, oats, seeds. This gives you more control over the ingredients while increasing fiber and micronutrients. Other affordable muscle-building foods. Greek yogurt isn't the only inexpensive protein source. Other excellent options include eggs, cottage cheese, milk, beans, lentils, tuna, chicken breast, tofu, soybeans. The goal isn't to replace eggs entirely. Instead, think of Greek yogurt as another valuable tool in your nutrition plan. Variety helps ensure you're getting a broad range of nutrients. How much protein? Do older adults need? Protein needs vary depending on age, activity level, and overall health. While individual recommendations differ, many experts suggest that healthy older adults may benefit from consuming more protein than the minimum daily requirement, especially if they're physically active or trying to preserve muscle. Distributing protein evenly across meals may also be more effective than eating most of it at dinner. For personalized advice, consult a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. Don't forget strength training. Nutrition and exercise go hand in hand. Simple resistance exercises can make a remarkable difference, even later in life. Examples include chair squats, wall push-ups, resistance band rows, step-ups, light dumbbell exercises. Research consistently shows that people in their 70s, 80s, and beyond can improve strength and muscle function with appropriately designed resistance training programs. It's never too late to start. Muscle is about more than appearance. Many people associate muscle with athletic performance or bodybuilding. In reality, muscle supports nearly every aspect of healthy aging. Maintaining muscle helps with walking, climbing stairs, preventing falls, carrying groceries, maintaining independence, supporting metabolism, improving balance. Strong muscles contribute to a better quality of life, not just a better physique. Healthy habits that support muscle growth. Eating enough protein is essential, but muscle growth depends on more than just what's on your plate. These simple daily habits can help you build and maintain strength at any age. Stay active. Regular movement keeps your muscles strong and active. Along with daily activities like walking or climbing stairs, include resistance exercises such as bodyweight workouts, resistance bands, or weight training 2 to 3 times a week. Prioritize quality sleep. Your muscles recover and grow while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support muscle repair, hormone balance, and recovery. Eat balanced meals. Don't rely on protein alone. Build meals with lean protein, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats to provide the nutrients your muscles need to perform and recover. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can reduce strength and slow recovery. Drink water consistently throughout the day, especially before and after exercise. Be consistent. Muscle isn't built overnight. The biggest results come from repeating healthy habits over time. Stay active, eat well, sleep enough, and trust the process. Consistency always beats perfection. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people unintentionally make choices that work against muscle health. Avoid these common mistakes. Eating too little protein. Skipping resistance exercise. Following overly restrictive diets. Relying only on supplements. Sitting for long periods. Expecting overnight results. Small, consistent improvements are far more effective than short bursts of extreme effort. Final thoughts. Eggs remain an excellent source of high-quality protein, but they aren't the only affordable option for building and maintaining muscle. Greek yogurt stands out because it's rich in protein, contains the amino acid leucine, is easy to eat, and provides valuable nutrients like calcium and vitamin B12. Combined with regular resistance exercise and a balanced diet, it can be a powerful addition to a muscle-supporting lifestyle. Whether you're 30, 60, or over 80, the most important takeaway isn't finding a single miracle food. It's building consistent habits that include enough protein, regular strength training, quality sleep, and daily movement. Those are the foundations of lifelong muscle health. Like, subscribe, and comment. If you found this video helpful, give it a like to support the channel and help more people discover science-backed health tips. Subscribe for weekly videos on healthy aging, nutrition, fitness, and wellness, backed by real research, not myths. And let us know in the comments. What's your favorite affordable high-protein food besides eggs? We'd love to hear your recommendations. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.